Hello everyone, welcome back to the Apple Connect, and in this video we're going to talk about how to unblock someone on Snapchat. So to do this, we just have to follow these instructions, and the first one is all about you have to tap on the Snapchat and you have to go over here, and this is how it looks like. Now from here, the first step is all about you have to tap over here in the profile icon at the top left. Just tap on this particular icon. Now from here, this is how it looks like. Now from here, what you need to do is you just need to tap on the gear icon at the top right. So over here you can see there is an icon. So just tap on this particular one. So that will take you to this. Now from here we have to scroll down, keep on scrolling down, and under the privacy controls you can see there is an option called blocked users. So when you tap on this, you'll be getting the list of the people whom you very recently blocked. So right now, as you can see, you have blocked 2 contacts. The first one is Blue Yen, and another one is a fellow friend of mine, which I did for the purpose of the video. So in order to unblock them, what I need to do is I just need to tap over here like this. Go for yes. Okay, you can do the same for the Blue Yen as well. Just tap on this particular one. And are you sure you want to unblock this particular Snapchatter? So just tap on yes. And once it has been done, as you can see, there is no blocked Snapchatters over here. And once afterwards, you have to go back once again, tap over here, you have to go back once again. If you tap over here in the message, and if you scroll down, you can see the particular person which you already unblocked, or you can search for the respective person. Like here, you can search for the one whom you unblocked very recently. You can search for them. So when you search for them, you'll be able to see the particular contact. So this is what you have to do. And these are the things what you have to do when it comes to how to unblock someone on Snapchat. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye-bye.